Here is a video showing why a consumer box switch will not turn off your PV panels on your roof. In the event of a fire at your property, the first point of call for the fire service will be to locate the electrical consumer box. Lots of people, including the fire service, think they're isolating the PV on the roof. This, of course, is not the case. The fireman has found the consumer box and switches it off. This has stopped the AC supply going into the property. It also has isolated the power supply to the inverter. But that has only isolated the AC supply. The DC supply on the other side of the inverter is still live. If the fire service found this AC isolator, if operated, this again would only turn off the AC supply to the inverter. The DC side of the inverter would still be live. If the fire service found this DC isolator, if operated, this again would only turn off the DC supply to the inverter. The other side of this isolator would still be live from this point to the panels on your roof.